I'm Coco about air suspension shock absorber distribution center. Today, I will introduce you to our AirBFT, the air suspension installation guide for the customized for our master of the Toyota, the Alphard, the 40 series. Today, I will introduce you to how to installation of it, including to the pneumatic line routing and auto connector the purchase, and until we finished all of our works. Okay, let's begin.
When we received the controller, the system kit, we should the first make a check. The first part is the V4P3 control system, the solenoid valve, remote controller, and wire harness, especially for them. Third part is the management system components, or V360 air compressor, the relay, and the 200 ampere relay power line, and the air water filter, and the check valve. And the second part is high sensor, the upgrade package, including the high sensor and its wire harness, and is especially the package for Toyota, the Alphard 40 series. The fourth is the installation, the package. Okay, friends, when we received the package of shock absorber kit, we received two integrated shock absorber, the front, and the rear shock absorber and airbags. The connector, the air tank to the air compressor, and we should use this. Used to the male, female, the elbow fittings, like this. When installation the solenoid valve, we should attention the remark must to be towarding to the air tank. Also the filter with installation also must make sure the remark towards to the air tank. The filter we should master the put down of it. The first the connector 14 millimeter wrench to tighten. And the third process we should installation the air compressor, placing the 1/6 the below to connect the air tube. Finish the right one and continue to tighten the left one. The exit is out of the air and the in is put in the air. So we should put the filter in the exit hole. The first step we installation the wire harness for the second step we connect the wire harness for the remote controller. And another side is connect to the remote controller. The third process is to connect the 4 line of air sensor gauge, the high gauge sensor. Then we connect the line from the filter to the relay. This blue one is the air compressor, the electrical line. We put the relay to the 8/6. Then we connect the positive line of 200 ampere, the melee power line, and then we connect the negative line, the relay of the relay, and the air compressor, and solenoid valve to the vehicle, any one of the below. So our air suspension shock absorber kit, and we should connect the air tube from the solenoid valve to our shock absorber airbag. We have 4 colors of the air tube, corresponded respected to itself color, such as yellow to yellow, the red to red, green to green, a blue to blue, and green to green. Okay, now I will show you how to set the height remember gauge. First, we put this button, the set. The first one is a height gear set, and we put the home button. We can see the height gear set, and this is front left, front right, front left, rear left, and rear right of the height gauge, the height gauge member, and we can choose it. And when we have remembered it, we have 3 seconds to the first, the second, the third. Okay, such as we will keeping the third height. We also put the home button for a long time. Okay, when this check, he will holding the third height. Second, let me introduce you to the automatic calibration. Before we using the automatic calibration, we should first put in the sensor check. Have a check of the sensor. You can see when the color is green, the pressure of the height sensor is okay. If the color become to yellow, it was wrong. So according to the color, this set, we have finished the sensor check, and we come back to the automatic calibration. We put the home button, and we can see and continue to put the button. The next, and the last page, we put this home button, holding to put it for a long time. Okay, this actual is ready